Here's the 1970 Chevrolet Nova. I just pulled it out of the garage to make this video, but this car is not driving in the snow here. It's a Cortez silver with the black stripes. Paint job is good on the car, not excellent, but it shows very well. As you can see, the rally wheels, real nice sheet metal on the car. Very nice vinyl top. This car's from Florida. It just came to Illinois. Listen to this baby purr. It's got a great sound to it. Really nice straight metal on the car. The vinyl top has been replaced to new. Turbo 350, power steering, power brakes, Edelbrock carburetor, new alternator. I also have the air filter, new Bosch battery, no overheating issues. Radiator has been gone through. Set of headers around the car. Car sounds fabulous. Here's the interior. I do have the shifter cover, SS steering wheel, aftermarket gauges there, showing 95,093 miles on it. Excellent back seat. Headliner's intact. Nice body on the car, as you can see how straight it is. It's a great price for the car. To get into it, you guys saw the prices at Mecum and Barrett Jackson. Outrageous priced, but this is really a great deal. Delivery included, anywhere in the country. Give me a call. My number is 847-848-1850. There's the air filter in the back. 2 6x9s. Nice emblems, door handles, factory trim. Nice rally wheels with the Cooper tires all around as well. Very nice sheet metal. If you guys want more information, go to my pictures and you'll see a lot more information. But I just wanted to start it here for you guys and gals to hear it, how it sounds. And if you're looking for financing, go to lightstream.com. They'll approve you in 15 minutes with whatever loan amount you're looking for on the car. You can finance the whole thing, you know. So again, they'll approve you in 15 minutes at lightstream.com. Just plug in the loan amount that you want to borrow, and they'll approve you right away at lightstream.com. That's who I found to be the easiest. That's my 70 Chevrolet Nova, ready for the next owner.